Hey campers, today I'm stoked to go over the 2014 Phoenix Cruiser 2100 with a slide. Let's check out this awesome little 21-foot camper, and as always, let me know what you think. This 2014 Phoenix Cruiser 2100 is a version with a slide that has a full-size bed in it. This camper is considered a Class B plus camper van. This is sitting on a Ford F350 V10 chassis. It comes in at 21.7 for length, 7'9" for width, and 9'10" for height. This camper van comes with 225/75 R16 light truck tires. These are an LT, so they're a heavier ply rating. It does come with this beautiful fiberglass body. A nice electric awning that I would say is an 8 to 10 footer that I can't find the specs on. Right here is going to be some external storage that you can reach inside underneath one of your benches of your dinette. Down below that's our propane. Over here is our battery storage with a pull-out tray. Our rear tires, we do have dualies on here, so there's 4 tires in the rear. Here's going to be our furnace exhaust and our fridge access. We do have a 3-way fridge inside. 120 power. Now, let's do things a little different. Go inside and check that out. Water heater, entry door handle, porch light. Now over onto the door where we have our pull down slide. And I love this little retractable screen door. As we're walking in, we'll turn on the battery disconnect switch to give us 12-volt power to the unit. Right there is our awning switch. Might as well pop that open real quick and show you the awning. Just to push the button. A little sticky. This thing hasn't been used for a little while, so this is the best thing for it. Pull it out, use it a little bit. Everything works great on it. Very well built campers. I can see why the prices hold. Down here is going to be all of our light switches and step switch, porch light. Back here is our kitchen. This is going to be our convection microwave, overhead storage. Here's our 12-volt electric fan. This is an intake or exhaust. Then we're going down to the nice 2-burner stove and the sink. They all have countertop covers as well. So when we're not cooking, we can use that full area for prep or whatever we want to do for projects. Underneath, we have our 2-burner stainless steel sink with our little pizza grabber or our cutting board in the back. And we're going into our nice deep sink. Our little kitchen window behind it with our blinds. Fan and hood above that. Right here is going to be our water and our water heater switch. 120 plugs, under sink storage. Right here's our fresh water tank. Couple drawers. And this is actually a little shelf cubby area. And it pops open to an extension of the countertop. I love how they utilize that space. Now we're going into the huge mirror with this beautiful little dry bath on the inside that has a fan above the toilet, skylight above the shower, tub, seat, and a nice shower curtain. Plumb toilet. I believe it's 28 gallons of black water in there. Then you have storage underneath the sink, power, sink and countertop, and medicine cabinet with the mirror. A couple spots to hang our towels in there. Now we're going into the wardrobe. Nice big wardrobe for us. Storage underneath that with a couple more drawers. Now we're entering into the bed area. This is also the slide. This is a full-size bed, a 54 by 74. It's an electric trifold sofa with cab over storage. Overhead storage, whatever you want to say. A couple lights under there as well with this big blind. So we have a nice big window behind us. Blind did not want to go up. I think I need two hands on it on both sides. Here's our dinette. I will show you at the end how this flips down and goes into a bed. Windows that open up in the back. Underneath the left bench seat is where we'd get in and access the outside storage as well. Here's our carbon monoxide detector. Windows, these two windows, you can turn the dials and they slide open. Alright, and as we go above the dinette, we've got our overhead storage with 3 different doors. Pop those open, they all connect together inside. We've got a bunch of speakers in here to give a nice surround sound. And here's our climate control. This is our furnace and our air conditioner. Air conditioner is right up on the roof. I love all the wood in here too, it just looks nice. Here's our DVD Blu-ray player. Some storage above, which is where they stored all the records for the camper itself, which is always great to carry around and have on us. Right underneath, we'll see that little triangle shelf. Here's an antenna and more surround sound stereo with that beautiful big flat screen TV up front. Couple cabinets on the outsides. Store all of our remotes and our DVDs. I would assume that's right around a 40-inch, but I'm not 100% sure. I love all the storage in this, and they are very well put together. You know, they're all nice hinges, they're all nice doors, they're solid, they're not cheesy and hollow. Over here is a bunch of mechanics. This right here is going to be for our bed and our slide. These are our levels for our tanks and our battery. This is our generator. That's turning that on and off, which that works great. It's a little Owen 5500. And here is our battery management system. All right. Now let's go right into the cab and check out the front. I do love the carbon fiber look on the dash. A little dusty, but other than that, very well maintained. Beautiful tan leather, gray leather. All right, now I want to show you how this bed works. This is a 54 by 74 bed. All we have to do is push a button to pop it up. It does not take long to do. This is all real time. I don't want to go in fast motion, and I just want to show you how this thing really does operate, because it is quick. And there it is. This right here, what that does is pop down right now, just to make it look better, and it's almost a spot to put your feet when you're using it like this. But when you close up that slide, you don't have any room for that. So you bring that up so you can walk through, which I will show you in the future. Now I'm going to switch this dinette into a bed for us, okay? First, what we're going to want to do is just flip this up, move this table leg up. Then this whole table is going to come right out of the brackets right here and fall right onto where it needs to be. All we have to do is get the cushions out of the way. There we go. There's that. Then we're taking the back cushions. And right there is our temporary bed. I am 6'2". Let's see how I fit. Okay, I don't fit in here perfectly, but if I needed to for a night, I could make it happen. All right, now let's take this bed and turn it back into a dinette. All I'm going to take out are these back cushions. Make sure those are Velcroed back where they need to go. Then I'm going to take this tabletop and swing it back up. If it comes out of its bracket, just put it right back in. There it is. Then you're swinging it up and locking it in right here. Then as far as the table leg goes, there we go. And we're done. That is how you switch around the dinette to a bed and the bed back to a dinette. Okay, now I want to close the slide for you. Right here's a button. All we're going to do is push in and hold. This I am going to put on fast forward because this is boring and takes forever. About a minute, but still seems forever when you're watching a video like paint drying. Now I want to show you, this is exactly why that step comes up, so we can still access and get through without tripping. It does make it so we can get to the cab, we can get to the bathroom, turn off our battery disconnect switch, close the door, lock it up, watch the step go in. So, what'd you think of this one? I can't lie, I was extremely excited to get this one in, and if it didn't have that slide, I might be a little interested myself. I don't like the slide though, it's a little too much for me, personally. But this is a sweet coach, very, very nice, low mileage, very well maintained. Thanks for watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for my weekly uploads. Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next week.